All my life, been grinding all my life. Sacrifice, hustle paid the price. Want a slice, got to roll the dice, that's why. All my life, I've been grinding all my life. Look, all my life, been grinding all my life. Sacrifice, hustle paid the price. Want a slice, got to roll the dice, that's why. All my life, I've been grinding all my life. Look, I'm married to this game, that's who I made my wife. Said I die alone, I told that bitch she probably right. One thing that's for sure, not a stranger to this life. Got a safe that's full of Franklins and a shoulder full of stripes. Don't know a nigga like myself. I say self-made, meaning I design myself. County jail fade, you can pull my foul yourself. Spy raid, swallow rocks, I'm getting high myself. Nah, damn right I like the life I built. I'm from West Side 60, shit I might got killed. Standing so tall, they think I might got stilts. Legendary baller like Mike, like Wilt. 96 Impala, thug life on wheels. Up against the wall, squabble at Fox Hills. Like a motherfucking boss, ask me how I feel. Successful street nigga touching them first meals. All my life, been grinding all my life. Sacrifice, hustle paid the price. Want a slice, got to roll the dice, that's why. All my life, I've been grinding all my life. Look, all my life, been grinding all my life. Sacrifice, hustle paid the price. Want a slice, got to roll the dice, that's why. All my life, I've been grinding all my life. Look, I got everything I said I was gon' get on my kid. In addition to that fact, I went legit. I'm the shit now, according to the way that I'm positioned. In this biz, it look like I'm just gon' keep on getting rich. Know them West Side RSCs is us. LAPD on my dick, I'ma squeeze and bust. If a rap nigga diss, switch cheese and bust. All this rap money, nigga, look, I need too much. Money, loyalty, and love, in the dream we trust. You'll be switching up the players on your team too much. Tiny copy, that's my low, Young Supreme, what's up? And we travel around the world getting cream or what? Ain't you get off on whoever hustles seem to rush? Las Vegas strip pop, yeah, you creamed them punks. After all that looking tough, all he seen was stunts. 50 Cent and Mayweather flee the scene with us. True story. All my life, been grinding all my life. Sacrifice, hustle paid the price. Want a slice, got to roll the dice, that's why. All my life, I've been grinding all my life. Look, all my life, been grinding all my life. Sacrifice, hustle paid the price. Want a slice, got to roll the dice, that's why. All my life, I've been grinding all my life. Look.
To do. Oh, look at that, you guys. Oh, look at that, you guys. Oh, you guys squeeze it on that. Silly.
What's the difference from squeezing that in there and putting it
Oh,
in? What's the difference?
oh my God. Oh,
Drop it to the
oh. So what do you? That's crazy, huh? What happened to Kobe? I'm like, dang. Who would have thought Kobe? I'm like, dang. Kobe? Like, he was, wow. Ooh, y'all, look at that meat in that sauce. Oh, my God.
Let me try some.
This one.
You gotta break it for me though.
Ooh.
Cause I can't break it with my teeth or my nails.
All right.
Cause I got braces.
Look at this.
What?
Oh. Do y'all know
What is that?
BLOVE sauce and the lobster tail?
Oh,
So
that's
good.
Break
Move on.
me some.
The crab leg.
You gotta break it. I can't break it. Your ass just break it like a damn phone. Like
You know, and then go get the scissors so we can cut it up.
this is, his scissors is small.
Yeah, it's gonna cut it up in.
Oh, baby, you know what your scissors?
Ooh, yeah.
Break it open. Break it open. Just crack it open.
I know.
You got the name with recording.
I'm glad we twins, fraternal twins. I'm glad. I love you. For real.
You gotta get your videos some, man. You gotta let your videos try it out.
Well, y'all, this is my first mukbang video, and it's so bomb. Woo, woo. So, look, I'm gonna get you some of this,
They
and then
both the same thing.
what?
The
Yeah, it's the same. This will be love sauce. Then dip it in there, and then you can just like suck it out. Ooh.
Oh well, you made them perfect. I ain't even gotta say.
Ooh. Oh.
Well, put some more lemon on.
Uh-huh.
Let me see what this is about.
The hype is really real. We need to put some Nipsey on.
Oh yeah, that is good.
You gotta tell YouTube.
It is so bomb. Right. Come tell them, Night. Let them know what they missing out on.
I'll tell them from the history. Just bomb.
She's. Look at that, you guys. Yup.
Fuck yeah, man.
Biscuit head down.
Just for some other the videos. Huh.
I didn't.
Come on and get it.
We eat cucumbers over here. Feel me?
She put everything in the sauce. Nigga put cucumber in the sauce.
It's so bomb. Look at that. Just look. Oh.
You cut you open. Let's see if it's sharp. Let me see. Let me see if
See
it's sharp.
what type of what type of meat he got. He gonna be some barbecue. Woo! We gonna make some barbecue with somebody. Boo boo, you ain't gonna get in?
Sell my stuff, sell one right
That's
now
not nice.
on YouTube. Look.
Boy, you gonna go to jail.
Yeah, who gonna tell?
It's on YouTube, my nigga.
They didn't see me.
Oh,
Y'all know who talking? Thank you. You can be like you. That's gonna be your blood.
Move, Boston.
Like you dumbass dog.
Go.
Boo! Come on, man.
Get in the sauce,
I'm
man. Get
telling
in the
you.
sauce, bro.
Getting this BLOVE song.
Come on, man. Dip the sauce, bro. Fuck yeah, nigga. You gonna edit this shit, right?
Yeah.
You need to make yourself an edit.
You need to make yourself an edit. Look at her front legs. You even gonna drop the phone in the sauce. That's how good it is.
Oh, no. I'm gonna fuck you up. No. No.
It's so good. I'm about to drop the phone in the sauce
Hey,
now.
I'm gonna beat your ass.
Yeah, it ain't that good, huh? It ain't that good,
No.
huh? All right. I thought it was that. Oh.
No.
On purpose on you.
Ooh. Biscuit head out.
Fuck ass nigga. Nigga, fuck good city soda.
I am.
Sauce can get over there. I could buy some more.
Some of this sauce on. I ordered it off Amazon, so if y'all Excuse me, y'all already know to get the sauce on Amazon. I'm gonna try the spicy next. This is the BLOVE mild sauce. I'm gonna try the spicy next, guys. He come in and roll up. Nigga, come on.
Poo poo.
Everybody come let me get that. Poo poo. You feel me? Got the jumbo shrimp.
Service.
Oh.
You saving those scraps or I can get another one?
Hey.
I can get another one or are you saving those?
Yes, ma'am. Minnie's turn.
Bro, eat it. If you love me, bro, eat it, bro. You don't love me? Eat it, bro.
What the hell?
You ain't got it. It's special service. It's special.
That's the
You ain't got to walk.
It's alright.
I got you. Y'all doing the video?
Yep. No
Come
video?
on, man. Where the camera at?
Like that.
Oh, for real?
Feel me?
Try it, you know what I'm saying? Shrimps.
And you can try the shrimp too, the big shrimp.
Let me try the sauce right here. Trying to feed me the shrimp. I know how to come get a shrimp, man. You still a boy. You don't remember how to get a shrimp.
Oh, he fucking weird.
Yeah. Where am I?
He weird as fuck.
Hello. No, eat a shrimp.
How you gonna let a nigga feed you?
I can't get that though. Hey, bro, if I was a chef in the kitchen, I'm like, bro. No, I gotta, come on, bro. A Mexican partner would have took it right off of it. I love you, fool.
I love you, food.
Bro, hell no.
Black people, you ain't.
It's romantic, bro. It's all love. I remember you trying to feed me with the fork, bro. I just eat it, those, my bro. Ain't nothing, bro. I'll tell you now. Fuck you, nigga. Fucking love. Nah, fuck love. That's a rat.
This sauce really is good though.
Man, that's not my cup, cuz. Well, my cup of juice go that bad. That's my cup, treat. Get cool.
Woo! Get some more shrimp all right here. Potato, you feel me?
Well, that was fire desire. Now,
Deal
it's
with
time to eat human. Right there.
Well, you better
Turn the
go
camera.
on with that.
Shit.
That's what we supposed to be doing.
That's
Chilling,
why I
relaxing.
told her to read the scripture.
Right.
Repent,
Psalms
'cause I'm about to get
23.
him. You need to read it and read it. I gotta get him.
God is so good. So
You gotta subscribe, comment, and like.
all day, you
Period.
already know what it is. Ellis City in here. Ballers in here. The Maja's in here.
No, they missed the
Ellis City, Mercury did.
You already know
Ellis
that.
Gang.
Killer, like-
Ellis Gang up in
Worker
here.
coming in like, bro, why you always tripping? You don't see nothing until you see it.
Good potatoes with the sauce.
Do you see it though?
Try it.
You see anything though?
Yeah.
What?
The
It's
night.
on the
The
side.
handle. Alright, I know I'm saying like this.
Hell
Well, you-
no.
No, you can't, nigga. I'm walking up. Nigga always tripping, cuz. And nigga, pop, pop, pop. Swipe, cuz.
A long one, huh?
That's what happened to that boy up in there. On YouTube. Thank you.
We ain't on that. We on some totally different. We on this BLOVE sauce.
Uh-huh. You gonna saw somebody right up, you ready. After this gonna be their last meal.
Mini scrimps.
Whoop, whoop. Ooh.
Y'all ain't no potato now. Boy, you skinny now.
We gotta do
Coochie
free
king.
side East and them. My big brothers from Pensacola, Florida.
They need $50.
Man.
Broke that, huh? You need to cook them potatoes, them bitches still hard.
But
Look, you.
yeah, I'm on shrimp now.
You see, did you put this on this page?
Yeah.
Alright, I see why.
Yeah. Hey, you gotta dance, Sean. You want a cucumber?
We're gonna have to say this sauce. Now I'm just fine.
Yeah, we're gonna save it. It's where we're gonna have to put this up.
For real?
Look at shrimp. Come on.
Yep. See? What did it say?
Alexis.
Right, but what did it say in the beginning?
ECC. That's for the word, the Bible.
Nope.
I accept the God as my savior. Jesus, all that. Hey. I'm full.
Nigga gets suspended from school. He on a YouTube video eating crab legs. He got a good life.
You want to sit down and eat some?
No, I'm straight. That shit bomb though.
Yes.
You stamps.
Well, get some more, little boy. Not even weed. You little weird ass nigga. Look at you. Look at cuz.
You stupid.
Look at cuz, Trees. Oh, weird nigga.
No,
Here.
never.
There's some more shrimp. You got
Nah, fuck.
everything almost open. Potato.
I'm ready. I'm telling you.
You gotta put some lemon on there.
That's how good it is.
Damn! That shit bad, damn, bro. That shit looks like
You got
that.
other strips too.
You got other shit in mind.
You got other strips.
He's stupid. I think you got other things in mind.
Hey, you got other strips.
Yeah,
You got
Yeah,
other strips.
yeah.
A strip on his head and a strip down here. Look at it.
Too long.
That nigga shit be sagging like a motherfucker. Ass cheeks heavyweight.
I got a lot of dishes to do.
that sauce probably bomb. You try shit.
It is fine.
That shit fire as fuck.
We need to get some more.
That butter good.
You want to order some?
Uh-huh. I'm doing in 3 weeks I'm doing seafood.
Oh, seafood board?
Yep.
That's
I'm doing
what's
all seafood though.
This all
For
seafood?
my family.
Oh, that's what's
You know,
up.
come down, I'm gonna put the tables up, put the tin up, and I'm gonna get all seafood. I'm getting the real big ones. Fish, shrimp, the
Right.
ones in the cans you suck out, every seafood. Watch.
Damn.
That's it.
I know,
Yeah,
so
fire.
right out.
You gonna invite us?
Duh, we the family.
This nigga, stupid ass nigga. Shit, how am I supposed to know?
Oh, you gonna invite us?
No.
Even if I'm not invited, I'm
Listen,
coming.
Trees. Listen.
What? You gonna invite us
Family.
for the family?
Not
Even if
including
I'm
my
not
family.
invited, bitch,
Oh,
I'm
like
showing
I
up.
heard you said family.
Yeah, I heard him. Why you? He said you
Trees,
heard.
this is
I know.
Pooh.
He said you
I
heard.
know
what-
him.
You heard what happened to the last security guards. I didn't even hear.
Oh, I know. Okay.
I know Pooh.
Poo, you rocking like that? You living like that?
Shit, I could never. What? Hey,
I
what
still
that?
don't give a damn.
What
If
that
I'm
white
not-
girl say?
You could.
Ready to get put on?
My motherfucking blunt, sir. Thank you.
I would.
Get put
know how
on
you
Jesus
fight.
Christ. We
Mercury.
serve the Lord over here.
Let me stick this in his cheeks, Pooh. I mean, somebody look.
That's not nice for the
I'm
video,
sticking in
y'all.
his cheeks. Look. This right here, BLOVE sauce in his cheeks.
No.
Cause he keeps sagging. You wanna sag, he available, huh?
BLOVE. BLOVE.
He gonna have his own sauce in a minute, dripping. I'm done with you. You keep on the sag. Every time I see this nigga, you sagging.
Mm-hmm.
So all that you do that, I kill myself.
Oh, no, y'all better go on. That nigga
I kill myself before I let anybody do that. Now,
You what?
You just there, stick that in my eye, right? The fuck you talking about?
Yeah, he's stupid.
I
I
kill
said,
myself.
cause you sagging.
I know I'm sagging.
You know you sagging, that mean you
I'm not
available.
doing it just, you know what I'm doing because I'm
Oh, I thought you was selling your ass then, nigga. I don't know. Let me
Oh,
know
no.
then.
They say in jail.
I don't have
That's
a
what they
pussy.
do in jail. I'm just kidding.
We talking about ass.
The nigga said I thought you was selling your ass.
Can't do
Hey,
that.
that's what I thought. I got 1,000 on it.
Move 1,000.
That mean I want both cheeks.
Hey, yeah.
5 each.
They dead as fuck.
We retarded.
That's all I paid for was the cheeks. I paid for the whole now.
Nah, that sauce really good.
You hear me, Trees?
Mm.
Nah, but that's for real. These niggas be wanna sag. I'm like, why they sagging? It's stupid now. Hey, you gotta have your shit right. You ain't ready to fight. You can't be sagging and shit and all that, nigga.
How you get dropped?
Thank you.
You just drop it on that.
Shit.
These grown
Hell
men
yeah.
jump
Yeah,
out.
you right, but I think when you like this, and pull it jump out on you, you ain't gotta get ready, you gone.
Right.
That's how the niggas out cooking. They gotta pull it. You see the video? I'm gonna show you like, man, if they would have had their pants, watch this. Who we talking about? He said they would have had their pants pulled up, them niggas would have got away. They steady running, trying to put their pants up and falling.
Like a white girl in the
Yeah,
movie.
you trying to get, you know what I'm saying? You trying to, you feel me? Your pants like this, your body
Hey.
plate, you feel me? It ain't got that little, you
It's
feel
right
me?
here.
Yeah.
Well,
How you gonna run your legs and all that?
That
Doing,
is my
you know what I'm saying? Shut up, nigga. Your video gonna be a ghetto video. One of them gay niggas in the back.
Press pause.
It's gonna be a good video.